What I found with him was his lymphatic system. He was poisoned with the chemotherapy chemicals that they used in the stem cell facility in Mexico. I found that he had mold from some water supply that he was consuming. Yes, we could talk more about that later, or personally if I get to work for you and with you. I found the anesthetic propofol in his lymphatic system. I found dental anesthesia chemicals from previous procedures in his lymphatic system. I found residues, chemicals of the tetanus shot he had in the past, stressing his lymph system. I found arsenic, activated mast cells, MMP9 inflammatory protein. I found multiple different insecticides and pesticides and weed killer spray, all of these stressing his lymph system. I found chemicals from the fake cheeseburger from one of the very well known who sold billions of cheeseburgers. I won't use the name here. I'm not here to slander them, but it's a fake cheeseburger. I found the chemicals from that fake cheeseburger food in his lymph. I found a mold toxin called ochre toxin and many other mycotoxins or mold toxins stressing his lymph. I found aspartame, fake sugar, in his lymph. I found midazolam, the sedative, morphine, and lipopolysaccharides, all stressing his lymphatic system. Why was the lymph important to be able to assess? Because the lymph helps to disinfect and detox the whole body, including your central nervous system.